topic is cybercrime. The contents in this cybercrime are, in my seminar topic is introduction, what is cybercrime, history of cybercrime, categories of cybercrime, types of cybercrime, cybercriminals, prevention and conclusion. Introduction. The internet in India is growing rapidly. It has given rise to new opportunities in every field. We can think of be in it like in education, entertainment, business, sports and education. In every field, the internet has been growing very fastly. Like when the internet has been growing very fastly, it has both an advantages and disadvantages. Like there are two sides of a coin. Internet also has its own advantages and disadvantages. One, the major disadvantages in cybercrime is illegal activity committed on the internet. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime is any illegal act committed using a computer network, especially the internet. Cybercrime is a subset of computer crime. What is computer crime? Computer crime is a crime done using computer and network. History. The first record of cybercrime took place in year 1820. In 1820, Joseph Marin Jacquard, a textile manufacturer in France, produced the loom. This device allowed the repetition of series of steps in weaving of special fabric. Joseph Marin Jacquard was a textile manufacturer. He introduced the machine for looming. The resulted in the fear among the Jacquard employees that the traditional employment and livelihood were being threatened. Due to this invention of this machine, the employer thought that maybe our livelihood has been threatened. They committed act of sabotage to discourage Jacquard from the further use of the new technology. This is the first record of cybercrime. Types of cybercrime: hacking, dimensional of a service attack, virus dimension, credit card fraud, punishing. Categories of cybercrime. Cybercrime can be basically divided into three major categories. First one, cybercrime against person, cybercrime against property, cybercrime against government. First category, cyber harassment is a distinct cybercrime. Various kind of harassment can be done do occur in cyberspace or through the use of cyberspace. Harassment can be sexually, radically, religious or other kind. Second category, this crime includes computer vandalism, tradition of harmful programs, unauthorized transpiration through cyberspace, unauthorized passion of computer information. Third category, cyber terrorism is one distinct kind of crime in the category. The growth of internet has shown the medium of cyberspace is being used by individual and a group of threatened. The international government has also to terrorize the citizen of the country. Cyber criminals, kids from the age of 19 to 16, organized activities, disgusted employees, professional hackers like corporate persons. Prevention of cybercrime: avoiding disclosing your ID to any strangers. Always use latest antivirus software to guard against virus attacks. Never send your credit card number to any site which is not secured. Use of firewalls. Change the password frequently. Uninstall the unnecessary software. Conclusion: within the law enforcement agencies, a set of rules must be developed to address the various categories of computer crime. Thank you.